Bad breath. It's more than an awkward moment. It can cost you confidence, closeness, even career opportunities. Studies show people with chronic halitosis are judged as less trustworthy, less attractive, and even less employable. Here's the scary part. Bad breath isn't just garlic or coffee. It can signal hidden problems. Gum disease, digestive distress, dry mouth from smoking or alcohol, even systemic conditions like diabetes or liver issues. What do most of us do? We reach for the toxic trio, gum, mints, or mouthwash. Chewing gum hides plastic polymers. Every chew releases microplastics into your saliva. Mints are packed with petroleum-derived sweeteners like aspartame, plus synthetic fillers. Mouthwash swirls with petroleum dyes while plastic bottles leach particles into the liquid. They promise freshness. They're really plastic-packed, petroleum-painted pseudo-fresheners. Here's the bitter irony. The very products meant to mask bad breath may magnify it. Microplastics accumulate in the body, even in the brain. Petroleum dyes have been linked to health concerns. Sugar substitutes like aspartame and its cousins carry neurological risks. Studies even show links to cancer. So while your mouth feels minty, your body may be paying an irreversible price. Now let's talk about the hidden halitosis healer, cloves. Cloves aren't just a spice, they're a medicinal powerhouse. Once worth their weight in gold, they've been fought over by empires. Coveted for centuries to freshen breath and heal. Consider their antimicrobial action. The active compound eugenol fights odor-causing bacteria. Studies show eugenol can inhibit bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus and E. coli. This reduces volatile sulfur compounds, the gases behind bad breath. Digestive support. Cloves soothe bloating and reflux, calming one of the hidden triggers of halitosis. Dry mouth relief. Chewing cloves stimulates saliva, restoring the body's natural cleansing system. Oral health. Clove oil has been used to ease toothaches and gum inflammation. This addresses gum disease, another root cause of bad breath. Beyond breath, cloves have amazing uses, sparking romance, supporting fertility, repelling mosquitoes, relieving aches and pains, even neutralizing the dreaded Streptococcus mutans, the primary bacteria of cavities. 1 in 5 adults have this tooth decay without even knowing it. And beyond breath, cloves have amazing uses, sparking romance, supporting fertility, repelling mosquitoes, relieving aches and pains, and even neutralizing the dreaded Streptococcus mutans, the primary bacteria of cavities, which 1 in 5 adults have without even knowing it. Think about it. Instead of plastic-packed gum or petroleum-painted mouthwash, you could reach for a tiny clove. It's spicy, aromatic, and medicinal. Fans rave about its warmth and effectiveness, and science backs up its antibacterial punch. Of course, moderation matters. Clove oil is strong, and too much can irritate gums. But used wisely, cloves are a natural, holistic way to freshen breath and support oral health. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to these excited customers. T-Bird. I use these in a stovetop simmer mix each year and sell on Etsy. They come fresh in a sealed bag and are of good quality. The latest bag I got was very much intact with no broken pieces. The flavor is strong and fragrant, and I love to use it in recipes. It adds a nice depth of flavor to my dishes. Carla K. Great smell, great quality. Raven Sen 777 Reader. Fragrant. Put them in cheesecloth bags, then in with blankets and winter clothing storage bags. From another customer. Once again, Coconut Country doesn't disappoint. I've purchased several products from Coconut Country and have always had a pleasant experience. High-quality products at a fair price. Try some of their products and see just why so many have become lifetime customers. Diatomaceous Love. Wow! I am looking forward to running out of all my spices so I can buy from this company. This clove is so potent and yummy. I sprinkle it on my morning toast every single day. The color is absolutely gorgeous. The smell's super pungent. You can tell it's fresh. I grind it as I need them too. So good. Whether you're talking about our fair trade whole or ground cloves in our special glass bottle shaker top, or bulk sizes in our long-lasting Mylar foil bags, you're covered by our Beyond Organic guarantee for ultimate freshness and purity. USDA organic, grown in the rich volcanic soil of the beautiful island of Sri Lanka. So here's your invitation. Replace toxic breath fresheners with this Hidden Halitosis Helper and tap into the 100s of benefits and uses of this precious spice, once worth its weight in gold. Would you like your own tasty healing? Like, subscribe, and join us at Coconut Country Living, where we heal the world through tasty superfoods. Check it out by clicking in the description at coconutcountryliving.com or amazon.com/Coconut Country Living, and we'll see you in Coconut Country.